Other than that, you will be able to make some changes here, like game options. So you have to click your own circle, because each circle is for each player. So you have to click that, click on game options. What is up, you guys? Casual QCure here. So this is a new tutorial on how you can play Dota 1 online. So I'm gonna totally start from scratch. With that being said, I'm going to go over here on where to download, how to install, how to register, and all of those good stuff. So in that way, you can go with the flow with me. If you're still having problems, we can address that one later on, and I do apologize if I haven't been able to actively read your comments from the previous video that I've made. So I hope this one will definitely help, as I'm trying to start from scratch here. So let's get into it. First thing, what you need to do is you need to install Visual C++ on your computer. Now, some of the computers will already have this. If you're not sure, all you can do is go to add or remove programs. So basically go to your start menu and go to add or remove programs, and just search if C++, right here, yeah. So you'll see there, it's already installed. So in my case, it's already here, Microsoft C++, 2015 to 2019. So it's already there, so I don't need to. But then again, if you don't have it, you will need to download. I would suggest just Google it, and it should route you here, and just click one of it, and then all you need to do is just download, install it, and all of those good stuffs. So after that, you will need to download the Warcraft 3 program, or shall I say the game. This is the program that was previously used for Dota. Before Dota 2 was released, most players are relying on this one. So I'll attach the link in the description below, so you don't have to like search or look for it. So it will be on the description. I already downloaded it, as you can see there, so there's no need for me to download it again. Now after you've done downloading it, all you need to do is just to extract it, which I already did, so as you can see here. And by the way, if you don't have the program for you to be able to open this file, you will need to download WinRAR. So again, all you need to do is just Google it. If you're not sure yourself, just look here, WinRAR, download, and WinRAR, yeah, right here, click on it. And yeah, all you need to do is just download it there. There's no need for you to buy it. Actually, it's basically free. They just keep reminding you to, to buy it, so at least to show some support to them. Alright, so after you've done that, you already have Warcraft 3. So let me just open it for you. Alright, now one thing that you need to check is the version. The version here is the one that's located on the bottom right portion of the Warcraft itself, as you can see there. So it says 1.26, so that should be the up-to-date version of Warcraft. If you don't have the up-to-date version, it might cause an issue for you to run some of the maps and some of the interface and all of that. And yeah, just go over here. Again, this is an older game, so it's not gonna be that up to date, unlike the Dota 2 interface. So when you go to options, gameplay, it's not quite a lot, so you just have to bear with it. Go to video and adjust the settings to whichever is convenient for you and all of that good stuff. And yeah, you just have to play along with it and see what fits for your computer and all of that. So once all that is done, just close the game again. Now let's see, so the next thing you want to do is download the platform to where you can play online for Dota with other people. To do that, all you need to do is download the go to this website. Again, I will provide it in the description below, so you don't need to go over with it again. So all you need to do is just download it, and again, when you download it, all you need to do is just open it, extract it, and yeah, so that's basically it. So open it and click on this one, open it. Let me just create a shortcut for me. Create shortcut. Okay, so open it. So this is basically the platform use. So there's a new version available. Yeah, you just need to update it in order for you to be able to use the latest version of the platform, which is RGC, or Rank Gaming Client. So all you need to do is click connect. Failed solving the server challenge. That's weird. Open it again. Okay, that fixed it. So if ever you get that problem, just reopen it and do that stuff again. So I have an account already, so I don't need to create a new one. But if you don't have an account yet, you just have to create. Just click register, and that should walk you through as to how you can create an account. So yep.
Welcome.
I still have it. So if it's the first time that you've opened this program, it will ask you to open the destination file for the Warcraft. So since I have mine on my desktop, all I need to do is just click on desktop, and I have a shortcut here on this one, so I will click that one, click open. And just in case if you guys do not have the latest map for Dota, you can click here and it will basically download, and make sure you need to follow this one, because otherwise if you don't, it's not gonna work. So okay, so all you need to do is just to click again the same Warcraft for Frozen Throne, click on download. Well, I don't know why it's not working. Let me try this one. Okay, that's what you basically need to do. So just wait until it's finished. Alright, so let me put this aside. So again, yeah, this is basically the platform. Let me just go over here as to what you can do. So I am automatically routed to USA by default because my region here, or I'm basically located in the US, so it will automatically route me here. Now for you to be able to check what other servers or rooms that you can join, so I think you need to go to menu, rooms. So yep, right here is where you can check by joining, by double clicking. Let's try Peru. This is usually where a lot of people play, from what I know. So yeah, that's basically it. And what this part means when it says sign players, so what does that mean is that when you sign, it's gonna reserve you on that particular room. So I'll go over with that later as soon as this one is finished. I don't know why. I'm gonna close it. Okay, let me go over. Alright, I don't need this. So okay, once after you have set up the destination folder for the Warcraft or for the Frozen Throne, all you need to do is just click the start game here, which should automatically open the Warcraft program. So yeah, that's more convenient. No need for you to manually open the Frozen Throne. So now going back here, what this means here, sign players, is that it will assign you to a room when you sign for it. So now for the sake of this tutorial, I'll do it. So it says there my name, and you just have to wait for it. And let me just go back here.
The game has just been hosted.
So the moment it says the game has just been hosted, it will be there, and it will have like a blue font. So all you need to do is just open it. Oh, so yeah, it's not letting me join because if this is what you're seeing on the map, so if that's what you're seeing, it means you don't have the map downloaded yet. So if the other part didn't work, where you downloaded the map and it still wasn't showing there, there's another way for you to do that actually. So to do that, let me just go back here. You need to go back here, you need to scroll all the way up, and you need to look for the part where it says here link for the maps, or if you need it to be in English, just go back up, go back to the USA room, and let's see here if I can find it. Here it is. So map version, this one. So you can manually download it. So copy the link. Okay, so here it is. So all you need to do is just download it. Download. Yep, click that. And as soon as it's done, show in folder, move it, and you need to go back to the Warcraft folder here. And all you need to do is just go to maps. I think it's downloads. No, it's download. Yeah, it should be there. And it looks like I already have it. Need permission to perform this. Okay, now by the way, if for some reason you get that error where you cannot move the file, it looks like that, yeah, you need to close RGC and everything before you can manually copy the map or move the map into the folder, because I believe it's gonna conflict yeah, if you do not close it. So just do that. I know it takes time, but it is what it is. Alright, so let's see. Okay, there you go. So when you see the map there, it means that it's already set up. Now, also one thing that I want to mention to you, if for some reason it's not in blue font but it's white, you can join for as long as the time is up for them waiting for those who sign for them to join the room, if that makes sense. So, for example, that one I was able to join. So basically that's the people there, and there are some commands that you need to type, like for example the one that you see there, it says ready. I don't know why I got kicked out. Perhaps they hate me. Let me see if I can join this one. Okay, there it is. So for example, if you want to be ready, all players needs to be ready, so they have to type exclamation point ready. I'll add these commands in the description just so that you will see what other commands you need to type for you to be able to see it. So other things that you can do is type win. It means that there are no reserve slots, because the reserve slots means for those people who sign particularly for this room alone, if that makes sense. And again, I'll put everything in the description as to what that means. And other than that, that's how you can play with people online. Now, there's actually one thing that you need to keep in mind here: the hotkeys. Luckily, for the updated version of the map, you can now make custom hotkeys without downloading any third-party softwares, because the older version of Warcraft doesn't have that. So basically you need to download a third-party software for you to be able to use hotkeys, just like on the inventory, and even for the for the skills. So let me just go over with that. I'm gonna start the game as a solo game. I'm not gonna play with anyone else. So let's try it. Just computer, insane. Start the game. So yeah, this is a good thing. Ooh, sexy crystal maiden. Alright. So let me just pick a hero. Let's see, my favorite one, Phantom Lancer. So you get the information here, like all you do is just click here, and you just have to change it to whichever fits for you. For me, I already did. Yeah, right there. And if you want to use legacy keys, now again, it's up to you. If you don't want to use legacy keys, you will need to manually change the skills here. But since I've been a player of Dota 1 ever since, so I don't need that. But automatically, it's going to, let's see here, tell you the default hotkey if you're using legacy. So as you can see there, Spirit Lance, it says there letter T, like the one in letter T font, it's, I don't know, yellow or orange. So I just hit T, and it's automatically gonna show there. If you need to check it again, just hover over the skill. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be there. Oh, and it shows the mana cost and all of that. And again, if you need to go over here, you can see the other hotkeys that you can adjust to whichever is convenient for you. Other than that, you will be able to make some changes here, like game options. So you have to click your own circle, because each circle is for each player. So you have to click that, click on game options, and say cam up. That again to whichever fits for you. Auto attack on. Again, you can turn that off. Double click, you can turn that on. So again, it's up to you. Take all the time you need to do that. Again, if you need this, all you need to do is just go to custom single player custom game and then do that, because I know it takes time for you to fully adjust or play this game. So yeah, just take all the time you need. Oh, I forgot the freaking TP. Let's see, in Dota 2 I use Alt, or I'll just use Alt. I don't think backpack is available yet for this game, so you're just gonna have to bear with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yep. So that's how you change some of the settings in game. So I hope that helps. Oh, and so for the health bars, if you want them to stay on, you need to go to gameplay right here. Always show health bars. And yeah, that's how you get the health bars to show. So that's pretty much it, and I hope this helps you. I hope you get to play Dota 1, and yeah, I hope this actually helps, that you're now able to play Dota 1 with players online. Again, if you ran into problems, if you have any other questions or any other concerns, feel free to drop a comment below. Leave a like if you like it, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And again, I really do apologize if I haven't made this kind of video before, but then again, I hope this helps out. And yeah, until next time.